Hey everyone, welcome back to Morning English Talk.
Hello, everyone. It's a beautiful day today. We're not in the studio this time.
That's right, we decided to record outside here in the park.
You can probably hear the birds, the wind, and maybe even a few kids playing in the background.
Yeah, it feels so peaceful. And it's perfect for today's topic, free time.
Exactly. Today, we'll talk about what people do in their free time, activities, hobbies, and simple ways to relax.
Things like going to the park, reading a book, watching movies, cooking, or just doing nothing at all.
Doing nothing is also a valid activity.
Totally. So let's get started.
So, Emma, what do you usually do when you're not working or studying?
Good question. I think my favorite thing to do is read. I love reading novels and short stories.
Oh, nice. What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery and romance. Sometimes I read in the park, just like today.
That sounds relaxing. Do you read in English or in your native language?
Both. I read English books to practice, and sometimes I use the audiobook version too.
That's a great idea. You improve your vocabulary and enjoy the story at the same time.
Exactly. And you, Leo, what do you like to do in your free time?
I really enjoy cooking. It helps me relax after a long day.
Oh, really? I didn't know you liked cooking.
Yeah, I usually cook on weekends. My favorite dishes are pasta and Thai food.
Wow, that sounds delicious. You should cook for me sometime.
Deal, but only if you bring dessert.
Ha, okay, I'll bring some cookies. Sometimes I think people forget how nice it is to do simple things.
True, like going for a walk, listening to music, or watching the sunset.
Exactly. I love walking in the park and listening to my favorite playlist.
What kind of music do you like?
Mostly pop and indie, something calm that helps me think.
That's cool. I like jazz when I'm relaxing and rock when I'm cleaning my house.
Cleaning with rock music? That's intense.
Hey, it works. I dance while I clean.
I need to try that. Maybe it will make cleaning more fun.
You should. So, what about movies? Do you watch many?
Oh, yes. I love movies, especially comedies and adventure films.
I'm more into documentaries and science fiction.
Really? Science fiction always makes me think too much.
That's why I like it. It's like traveling to another world.
True. Last week I watched a movie called The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. It made me want to travel more.
Oh, that's a great one. I love movies that inspire you to live fully.
Me too. They remind me that free time isn't just about resting. It's also about discovering new things.
Exactly.
So, since I mentioned cooking earlier, tell me, do you cook? Sometimes I'm not a great cook, but I like making breakfast on weekends.
What's your specialty?
Pancakes with honey and strawberries.
That sounds perfect. I usually cook dinner. I like trying new recipes.
Do you follow recipes or just improvise?
Both. Sometimes I follow a YouTube video, but sometimes I just mix things together and hope for the best.
That's brave. I'm too scared to experiment.
That's the fun part. Cooking can be creative. It's like art or science.
True, and it's so satisfying when something turns out well.
Yes, and even better when you share it with friends.
Absolutely. Food always tastes better when you share it. Since we're in the park today, let's talk about outdoor activities.
Good idea. I think spending time outside is really good for our health.
Definitely. The fresh air, the sunlight, it makes you feel alive.
So, what do you like to do outdoors?
I like walking, hiking, and sometimes I ride my bike.
Nice. I usually go jogging or play soccer with friends.
Oh, soccer. That's such a popular sport.
Yeah, it's great exercise and also social. You meet people and have fun.
I like playing badminton with my cousin. It's not very intense, but it's fun.
That's a good one. Not too hard, but still active.
I also enjoy picnics, sitting on the grass, eating fruit, and talking for hours.
That sounds amazing, especially with good company and maybe some background music.
Exactly. It's the best way to spend a Sunday afternoon.
I think everyone needs some time alone, too.
Oh, I agree. Free time isn't always about people. Sometimes it's about peace.
Right. I like staying home on a quiet evening, reading, or watching something relaxing.
Same here. I love lighting a candle, drinking tea, and just doing nothing.
That sounds perfect. It's like recharging your battery.
Exactly. I think we all need that balance, social time and quiet time.
Yes. Too much of one or the other makes you tired.
True. And doing something small that makes you happy can change your whole day.
Like listening to your favorite song or watching the stars at night.
Oh, I love stargazing. It makes me feel calm and tiny in a good way.
I know what you mean.
You know, sometimes hobbies turn into passions.
That's true. I started cooking just for fun, and now it's something I really love.
Same with me and reading. It started as a school habit, but now I can't live without books.
That's the beauty of free time. You discover what you truly enjoy.
Yes. Do you have any hobby you want to learn?
Maybe photography. I love taking pictures when I travel.
That's a nice one. I'd like to learn painting. I think it would help me relax.
That would be amazing. You could paint the scenes from our podcast adventures.
That would be fun. Emma and Leo in the park.
Sounds like a children's book title.
Maybe one day.
Free time is also about people, right?
Of course. Spending time with friends is the best medicine.
What do you usually do when you meet your friends?
We go to cafes, watch movies, or just walk around the city.
That sounds nice. I like game nights. We play cards or board games.
Oh, I love that too. It's fun and full of laughter.
And sometimes I just hang out at home with my best friend. We talk for hours about life.
Yeah, deep conversations are my favorite.
It's interesting how time feels different when you're doing something you love.
True. 2 hours with friends feels like 10 minutes, but 10 minutes in a boring meeting feels like forever.
That's the truth.
You know, Leo, I think people sometimes feel guilty for taking free time.
Yes, like they always have to be productive.
Exactly. But free time is part of a healthy life.
Absolutely. When you rest or do something fun, you recharge your mind.
And then you have more energy for work or study.
Right. It's not about being lazy, it's about balance.
Totally. I think we should normalize taking time to rest, read, or walk outside.
100%. Sometimes the best ideas come when you're relaxed.
Yes, like this episode. We decided to record in the park because we wanted a change.
And it feels great. I think the fresh air makes me talk better.
Maybe we should record outside more often. Okay, friends, let's practice some sentences together.
Repeat after us if you can.
I like reading books.
I like cooking dinner.
I go for a walk in the park.
I watch movies with my friends.
I listen to music every day.
I play soccer on weekends.
I like painting and drawing.
I enjoy spending time with my family.
In my free time, I relax and read.
On Sundays, I meet my friends at the cafe.
Great job, everyone!
Remember, it's not just about what you do, but how it makes you feel.
This was such a fun lesson. I love talking about free time. It reminds me to slow down.
Same here. Today felt like a little vacation in the park.
Yeah, learning English outside feels different, more natural.
And I hope our listeners also feel relaxed and inspired to enjoy their free time.
Exactly. Try something new this week. Maybe a walk, a movie, or cooking something tasty.
And remember, speaking English can also be a fun free time activity.
That's true. Listen to podcasts, watch shows, or chat with friends in English.
So, Emma, what are you going to do after we finish recording?
I think I'll stay here a little longer. Maybe read my book under the tree.
That sounds perfect. I might jog a few laps before heading home.
You're always the active one.
Afs, someone has to balance your calm energy.
Touché.
All right, everyone, that's all for today's episode of Morning English Talk.
Thanks for spending time with us in the park today.
Stay happy, stay curious, and keep practicing your English.
And in our next lesson, we'll talk about something exciting, your weekend plans.
Yes, we'll learn how to talk about what you want to do next Saturday and Sunday, like going out, relaxing, or traveling.
Don't miss it. It's going to be fun and super useful.
Both. See you in Lesson 18. Bye.
Bye!